Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This website that you've seen with my logo attached to it is completely developed by an AI that has this much pages, the courses, about page, the pricing and contact, and very good title. And you can see, you can browse courses and watch demo and even some key display about the courses. You can see everything is being captured here. Engineering and medical courses designed for your success. These are all courses. These are engineering related courses or medicine related courses. This is very interactive and flexible that you can click to see. And what I like the most about it is the arrangement of the courses as well as their prices. Okay, so you can see the arrangement and the prices for each course. You can see, and when you click, you can enroll in anything. You can view all courses if you intend to view more. And then down here you can see some story behind it. You know, since 2015 we have covered this much countries, we have expert faculties across this much number, and then we have had research papers of this form. And you know, the imagery and everything is very interesting. Take a look at the world-class faculty and industry experts that we have. You can be able to see more, but take a look at the arrangement, the name, the profession, and other detail, and even classification of your own expertise and your LinkedIn page. You can just click and it will take you to the LinkedIn page. Take a look at this, one of the instructors. Okay, and then ready to advance your career, explore our courses, and you can start today. This is very detailed website, and down here you have the socials attached and you can have the description. So even in the engineering you have structural, mechanical, electrical, and civil infrastructure, and in the medical field also we have all of this. And one last very good thing that I found about this website is a newsletter. You can stay updated with this, where you can subscribe to that. As you can see, you can navigate the pages, you can enter the about page, very detailed. You can see the arrangement of everything, well arranged and superb view. Yeah, professional looking, and the brand is what I like the most. Even our pricing, you can be able to access our pricing page and so much more, and even FAQ. All of these we are gotten from just one click. Even the contact us page, student enroll, you can enroll now if you're interested. Now take a look at the simple prompt that gave us this particular website. This is it. You are a website builder and I need you to build an academic website containing online courses in engineering and medicine. Please provide an about us page, pricing page, checkout page, and any other detailed content that make as professional as possible. Now take a look. You just have to follow the instructions step by step. It's going to give you an outline of what it's intended to cover and so on, and you just be okay in it. Once you check through and it's okay, it makes your requirements, you can just be accepting accordingly. Last thing about this is that you're free to publish and check out the coding. You can publish over here directly. You can copy the link and share with people, or you can come over here and publish on a customized domain, but of course that's going to cost you some money. So that's this. So let's have one more use case of this particular Readdy AI, and this time around I'm going to develop something or build something. You can see other similar websites, so accessing is very easy. You can come to readdy.ai and you have access to all the projects. Of course you have to log in with your own email and password to create your own account. You can directly build your own website accordingly here. One very good thing that I found also about this particular website is the editing feature. Okay, over here in the website there is what we call the selector. You can select a particular area and you can make consistent changes. For example, let's say we want to change this course catalog to something else. So once you select it, you can go ahead and give it another name. We can say change this to course availability, for example, and make the color yellow gradient. Okay, and then within some seconds it is going to check this out and review it and change it to yellow and another gradient. Okay, so you can be able to see the operation. I will update the heading text and change the color to a yellow gradient. And what do you see here? Course availability, and it's been changed to yellow color. This is really next level. You can do the same even with the images. You can just upload the image that you want, and this is going to change it for you directly. So let's do one more use case. So once you're here, you can just go ahead and give it the prompt. I have this simple prompt that I type, though it's a bit long. I'll put it in the description. Create a modern premium agency style website for a platform called AI Product Hub that showcases and reviews the best AI tools and products across different industries. The goal is to help users discover, compare, understand AI tools for productivity, education, business, design, research, and development. Target audience, design style, and color theme, everything has been defined here. The pages and sections, we have the home page, call to action, everything that should be on the page, and we'll have the category section, and then we have other sections like the AI tool listing page and so on. So take a look. It's a bit detailed, but I'm going to put this in the description so you can just have access to this. So then you can go ahead and click on submit, and then web page list, I will generate the web page, okay, and then on the following page structure. So this is the structure that it's going to use, and it's exactly what we've captured in the prompt. So you can see next to this if you agree to it, and if you want to add anything, you can as well add. If you have a logo, you can upload. If you don't have, you can generate AI. I want to generate and then maybe possibly use this. It's very okay. So let's go ahead. And then so this is generating now. It will take a few minutes, so you can just come back, just follow the instructions and keep clicking OK, approve, and then go on. All right, so this is just like generating now. It will take a few minutes, and then this is showcasing how you can select elements to edit like I have shown you earlier on. It's very direct and very easy and very friendly. So let's just give this some seconds and see what it's going to come up with, and take a look at the wonders of what it has given us. Our AI product hub has been developed, and look at the homepage, category, AI tools, blog posts, and about page. You have the logo and everything. You can see the text and all of the sections. You can see this version 1, it has done all the work. So with just one click, you can publish this particular website. So take a look at the clarity, the arrangement of all the sections. Featured AI tools that we have Midjourney, ChatGPT, Notion AI, Runway ML. Anyone that you want to learn, you can explore. You can even see the star ratings of people. You can explore and see more in terms of and what it does, basically writing, coding, research, image generation, art design, code completion, developer tools, and so on. Each AI with a synopsis of what it does and so on. So you can just go ahead and explore, find AI tools for everyday need. You can find from the available ones over here, and you can see all categories as well depending on your interest and so on. So you can start exploring, or you submit your own tool if you have any new tool. And down here also you can access our socials, and you can stay connected with our newsletter by signing up or subscribing to the website. So this is actually a key thing. You can use this selector tool as well to edit any section of the website, and you can publish it as well, or check out the other pages if you're interested in checking it out. Fantastically, you'll be able to have access to all of those. Okay, so I think this does it on this tutorial about the use of Readdy to develop or design a website for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.